Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Real Rain, and I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing of my video camera that I ordered from Amazon. As you can see, it is addressed to me, but I just like blocked out my address. But it's what I ordered, and I'm actually impressed because it's my first time ordering from Amazon, and I ordered it on Friday. Yes, I ordered it on Friday, and I had got the free shipping option. It was saying it would be here on the 28th, but it came the very next day. And then they also, when they delivered it, they sent a picture showing that it was delivered to my address, to my actual porch. So I really liked that. I was really satisfied, and I'm like, okay, Amazon, I see how you do. So anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this, get right into it, and give you guys a review of what I think. So I don't have a box cutter on me right now, so I'm going to use a steak knife, ghetto style. It's okay though. So excited, I can't wait. I can stop shooting on my iPhone. So, very light, packaged, as you can see. Camcorder, digital light, digital life, camcorder. Okay, so far easy to open, I like that. Easy to access, good packaging, not too difficult, but it's secure, so I like that. Oops. Did I speak too soon? No, I didn't. All right.
I'm about to say they that damn.
Mama, don't start. Got a user's manual. It's in English. It's not like a foreign language. The manual is in English. Yeah, sorry, I'm blind, you guys. That's why I'm squinting. Yep, so far, looks like the instructions are going to be easy, so I won't have a problem with that, which is good. Dear users, when you use mobile phone to shoot videos through the app, the audio format of video will be WAV, capital W-A-V. So if you use Android, blah, 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 blah. So it's just like good information on that. Here's the mic. Packaged good, like I said. Sorry, I thought my music was gonna go out, so I had to come back in. So yes, like I said, we got the mic. And I like that it's in a bag. Everything is like separate. So I got the bag with the battery and the mic. I'll get that in a minute. The remote. Let me stop playing. Okay. And we got the battery, or is it the memory card? Battery. That's the battery. Came in this little bag also. Here's the charge cord, or the USB. This is the USB cord. Yep. So far so good. Oh, this is the USB. And that's the charge piece, the port. And the grand finale. Drum roll, please. The camera. I like the fact that it comes in a little pouch. Nice. I spent? Not bad at all. I'm gonna tell y'all how much I spent in a moment. Okay, so it's gonna be really easy for my vlogging, which is good. Got the case. I like how organized it is. Okay, I can take that out. You can turn it that way. So be expecting some more like better quality from me. But this has Wi-Fi. This was a really good one that I saw a lot of good reviews on for YouTube. I mean on Amazon. So it's good. The I think this is Sunlea. Sunlea is the maker. So yeah. Hold up, y'all. Mommy, you wanna dance with me? Yes. So can you want to dance with me too? This is a good unboxing. I am satisfied. I'm satisfied with Amazon's delivery because they were quick.
Shout out to Amazon.
Shout out to Amazon. Seriously, I'm excited. So good boxing, and like I said, expect some good content from me now that I got what I need so far. More to come, of course. I'll keep on investing as time goes on. But I expect you guys to grow with me on my YouTube channel, and I just hope to keep getting better and better. If there's anything y'all want to see me do, please hit me up. Comment, like, subscribe. Pranks coming, skits coming, reviews, cooking, all that stuff. So please feel free to hit me up. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Have a good one.